everyone, today I am going to teach you how to divide two numbers using a C++ program. First of all, include a IOStream header file, write the statement using namespace std, start the main function. We need to divide two numbers, so we will take two integer variables here, and then to store the result of a by b, we have taken a variable named result. Okay. Now we will ask the user to enter two integers. The user will enter any number and the number entered by the user will be stored in A and B respectively. Suppose user has entered 10 and 5. So 10 will be stored in A, 5 will be stored in B. Then we will perform result is equals to A by B. So result is equals to A by B. What is the value of A? The value of A is 10 by B. What is the value of B? It is 5. So the result will get a value 2 here. Then our final output will be printed. The output for the program is Cout A. Here it will show the value of A. What is the value of A? The value of A is 10. The value of A is 10. 10 by, what is the value of B? The value of B is 5. 10 by 5 should be equal to result. So what should be our result? The result is 2. So 10 by 5 is equals to 2. So I hope it is clear to you. You will return 0 to the main function, and this is how simple it is to divide two numbers using a C++ program. Now I will show you the practical implementation of the program. Hello everyone, today I am going to teach you how to divide two numbers using a C++ program. Let's begin. We will include IOStream header file using namespace std. Start the main function. After that, we need to divide two numbers, so we will say int a comma b, and we will store again, say the a by b will be stored in the variable result. We'll ask the user to enter values for a and b. In A and B. So we will write result is equals to A by B, and we will display the output as A by B is equal to result. Return 0. Let's run the program. See, enter two integers, so let's say 10 and 5. What is 10 by 5? 10 by 5 is equals to 2. So the value of A was 10, the value of B is 5. So result is equals to A by B. So 10 by 5 is equals to 2. So the value of result is equals to 2. So it is easy to divide two numbers using a C++ program. I hope it is clear. We will continue in our next lecture.